4 infusions to cleanse the body. We can accumulate toxins in our body for a number of reasons, which is why today we are providing you with 4 fantastic infusions to cleanse the body, which you can make at home with all natural ingredients. Homemade infusions that help us eliminate toxins. When our bodies accumulate toxins, various symptoms can arise, such as impurities on the skin or frequent colds. In addition, there are those who begin to have liver problems. However, all of these ailments can be improved by properly detoxifying the body. To achieve a natural and adequate detoxification, we can turn to the different detoxifying foods that exist, and if those fail, to some medicinal plants. Here we will learn about 4 infusions to cleanse the body. Infusions can be taken for up to 3 weeks, without sugar or using natural sweeteners. With these infusions, you can replace your typical coffee or hot chocolate for breakfast, or you can use it as a rich after-meal treat for lunch or dinner. Do not think that since they are so plain or easy to make they will not have the required effectiveness. These infusions are prepared with a tablespoon of dried medicinal plants and a cup of boiling water, left to steep for 5 to 10 minutes, and may be drunk with the assurance and peace of mind that they will provide you with the desired effects in a short amount of time. Cleansing horsetail infusion. Horsetail has great cleansing properties and may be mixed with mint, licorice root, green anise, peppermint, and fennel. It is important to remember that it should be mixed in equal parts to achieve an infusion that can be very effective to clean out phlegm and mucus from the lungs, preventing colds, and it also seems to be quite effective in aiding digestion. Cleansing thyme infusion. This is an infusion that is recommended especially for those suffering from poor digestion and nervousness. Additionally, thyme helps to improve gallbladder and liver function, which are responsible for working with the kidneys to eliminate impurities from the body. To make this infusion, mix equal parts of thyme, lemon balm, lime and angelica blossoms, which should be placed in a cup of boiling water, covered, and left to steep for 10 minutes to drink later. Cleansing strawberry leaf infusion. When toxins accumulate in the body, which causes such ailments as the accumulation and excess of uric acid or gout, strawberry leaves can be the perfect solution. To make this infusion, mix equal parts mint leaves, blueberry leaves, coltsfoot leaves, and, of course, strawberry leaves. This mixture can be an excellent diuretic drink. Drink 1 glass of it per day. Cleansing elderberry infusion. The infusion of elderberry leaves have a diuretic and sweat-inducing properties, and are therefore very useful for natural cleansing treatments. In this case, it may be combined with plants that help improve digestion and calm the nerves a bit. Take in equal parts elderberry flowers, green anise, chamomile, sage, and devil's bit. It is prepared in the same way as mentioned before, the only difference being that, compared to the infusion of strawberry leaves of which only 1 cup may be drunk per day, This infusion may be taken 2 to 3 times per day.